Hey there, tubers. Well, we're here at work down in Montreal. Thought I'd show you some of the stuff that we're doing. This is the upper bathroom here. And locker kind of area. Who's that handsome guy? I don't know. Well, there's the bloke. Oh, he's holding the door open. Nice. Basically, this is an electrical room with some pretty high voltage stuff. Big panels and whatnot. What we're going to do is we're going to rip these out and we're putting in a different type of transformer. It's a few thousand volts here. See what do we got? Oh, 12,000 volts. Bloke, you're going to have to wire this one up. It's a little over my voltage.
Just stick your fingers and stick it in there.
Lick my fingers, yeah? No, I'm just kidding. What it is there's too much heat coming out of this room. Last time we were here, we actually built this wall in here and closed off this here opening, which goes out to the loading dock. So now they figured, like I told them, it's too hot. So what we're doing is we've cut some holes in this door over here, which is the entrance door. As you can see, hole.
Hello, mate.
And we're installing these fans. Got like a little louver here, and the fans go here. And we'll wire that in on a setting right here, and or actually up there. Basically, that'll run. And there's two fans because if one fails, we need one on a backup. And then we'll cut some holes in that big old wall over there.
Suck some cold area.
Suck some cold air off the freezer area and keep this hopefully cool. And we'll install a couple of thermostats off of these things here. So, what do you think, bloke? So far so good?
Yeah, it's probably the worst job here.
Good man.
It's in the door we got to do, so we'll show them that and all, right?
Yeah, we're good.
We'll show them when we finished it, yeah?
We'll show you the finished product and hopefully that works for us. If not, we'll be back again. Okay, here we are now. We've kind of got the fans installed, which is in the door. It's going to be like a little squiggly thing here, where this kind of just comes into here, and power to there. And that's going to come in from a thermostat. And exactly the same thing on the bottom. Just going to finish that one there up. Okay, I'm going to go down to there and then up on a wall with a thermostat. Now the best thing to do is to pull power from the source. You can see I pulled it from always check the load, make sure that it's not overloaded. That one's only running some backup lights, so that one's fine. They're only quarter horse fans anyway, so there you go. And then run some BX. Anything exposed, you got to use either BX or like here, put it in conduit. You can't leave any household 14-2 or 12-2 wire exposed, where it can actually short out or somebody can run into it. Okay, here's a nifty little idea if you don't have any tap cons. This is my little kind of scam of things. Cut some piece of 14-2 or could be 14-3, whatever, 12-3 piece of wire, and drill your hole in concrete. Stick the wire in there. Acts like a plug. See that there? And then you can just use normal kind of wood screws here, basically, and that acts as a sleeve. What happens is that piece of plastic starts shredding around and acts as a little bit of an anchor. Works really good in concrete. Some people use wood. This seems to work better. It's just easier. You can carry, you know, cut up 20 of them quickly. I'll show you how that works. So there you go. She's in, good and solid. Can't move it. And works like a charm. I do that all the time. So there's a little, I guess, cheap way of doing things. Instead of buying those expensive tap cons and those bits that always break, just use normal screws, wood screws, and a piece of wire. What I've done is I've put an inline thermostat so that basically that if it hits a certain temperature, the exhaust fan will start up. That way it tries to keep the room cool. There you go. There it is above the door, where the hotter it is. Normally you'd mount these at 5 feet, but because I want the heat out a little bit longer, that's where I put it. Go down into there, run into that box, and then right into the fans, and then we're done. There it is, folks. We're up and running. Final product. Door's closing. Kind of a weird setup, but a little springy thing in there. Gotta watch these things kind of curl up on you. There you go. Fan going. And going. Creates negative pressure in the room, and hopefully we'll recycle some cold air through there, but we'll find out. We'll go for lunch and come back and see.